right, Tubi? Hello everyone, my name is Tubi and I'm a golden doodle. Loves to play out here, but I want my mom out here. I don't want to be alone here, right? We used to have bulldog. She passed away a month ago, almost 2 months. And but anyway, she was old. She cannot do much. And again, Tubi, when I try to nap or do something inside the house, he's gonna constantly barking me. He bark like crazy, right, Toby? You bark like crazy, Toby, right? Right? Okay, Toby. Very nice green grass here, guys. If you see, comment below if you like my dog here and my grass and my flowers and everything here. Yeah, look at how handsome is my dog. He's my partner blog in my YouTube and Facebook. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and find my profile Facebook too, and also have a page. My page is the same name here, and my name and profile is Vicky Hansen. And please do, so we can have more fun here. Oh, look at my dog. He just want to sit here, right? I have a lot to do inside the house, but he just wanna be here. I don't wanna be with you, mommy. I love you, mommy. I love you. Just wanna walk out here with my dog. Okay, let's go walk around in circle, I guess. Yeah, what do you want? What do you want? That's my co-worker. It keeps saying, what do you want? What do you want to be? Look at my hostas, my ferns, begonias, my beers. Yeah, I think I need to move that out in front. I need right there. There's two in there together. Maybe I can share that outside. Right, Toby? Like, right? Yeah. Shout out everyone's watching me. Thank you so much for all the love and kind. And show this dog right here. I was trying to relax inside because I just came home from work. And again, Tubi wants to be out here for some reason. He cannot be out here by himself. So, okay, now I make him happy. I'm here. And let's go. I'm gonna give you a tour here, guys, and my garden here. This is my garden. Just wanna let you know this is my man-made fountain made by husband. So yes, it's very relaxing here. I have flowers in the pot. Look at my dogs. He wanna be out here. Okay, guys, comment below and say hi, and we'll say hi to you back, and I will shout out your name as soon as I show your name here, right? That's my Tubi. He loves playing here. Yeah. And look, my flowers, beautiful flowers, and there, right there. I just want to show you guys how beautiful it is. And this is make him happy. As long I'm here outside, he's okay. But if I'm staying inside the house, he's gonna constantly barking like in front of my face. Like he seems like he is a boss in the house. He goes, come with me, I wanna see up there. It's better to be out here, mama. And I said, okay, I suppose